In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your WooCommerce thank you page. If you're setting up an online store with WooCommerce, the thank you page is a crucial step in your customer's journey. It's the page they see after completing a purchase, giving you a golden opportunity to leave a great final impression. To customize and view this important page, we'll be using a handy plugin called Next Move Lite. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to install and activate Next Move Lite. This plugin offers a range of customization options for your WooCommerce thank you page, allowing you to tailor the post-purchase experience without needing extensive design skills. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section, click on Add New, and in the search bar, type in Next Move Lite. Once it appears, click Install, and don't forget to activate it after installation. This plugin becomes a powerful tool in your store's toolbox, enhancing how you communicate with customers post-purchase. Now that Next Move Lite is up and running, you'll find its dedicated menu in your WordPress admin panel. Simply look for Open Excel Plugins and hover over it. You'll see the Next Move Lite option. This is your gateway to a variety of thank you page layouts and customization features. The next thing I'd recommend is selecting a thank you page layout that suits your brand. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a range of designs. This page allows you to choose a style that resonates with the look and feel of your store, ensuring a seamless visual journey from checkout to purchase confirmation. Once you've selected a layout, it's time to preview it. There should be a preview button available. Clicking this gives you a sneak peek into what your customers will see after they complete their purchase. This is the stage to imagine yourself in your shopper's shoes and ensure the thank you page conveys the message and image you want. For those looking to further personalize the page, Next Move Lite integrates effortlessly with popular page builders like Elementor. You can utilize blocks by inserting Next Move shortcodes, giving you the flexibility to add custom messages, dynamic offers, or additional information that can further engage customers. Whether you use Elementor or stick to the default options, feel free to experiment until you find the layout that complements your store's style. Before you conclude, it's critical to ensure that your WooCommerce thank you endpoint is set correctly to guarantee a seamless integration with the checkout process. Incorrect settings here can lead to issues, so double-check this configuration in your WooCommerce settings under the Payments or Advanced tabs. Finally, to make sure everything is functioning correctly, it's always a good practice to run a test order. This step is essential to verify that the page displays as intended and that there are no hiccups causing customer confusion after purchasing. Simply process an order like a real customer would, and watch as your newly customized thank you page welcomes you. And there you have it. With these steps, your WooCommerce thank you page is not just viewed but optimized to enhance the experience. Whether you're aiming for simplicity or a fully loaded thank you page, Next Move Lite makes it achievable without hassle.